Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open or run GitHub notebooks in Jupyter. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now the first thing would be is just to go and have your either MB viewer so you can start only view. So as you can see here in this article, it will show us exactly how to execute Jupyter notebooks from GitHub. So as you can see, for reading or for just viewing, you can just go to the IPyNB or Python notebooks file and then go to the MB viewer, which is also a Jupyter MB viewer. So notebook viewer, you can simply go to the URL and basically we need just to have the GitHub repository. So here I'm in just a random repository here that has notebooks and we can simply go to this URL and from here I'm just going and click on go and basically we will be able to start reading and viewing the notebooks. So as you can see, now you can interact with the notebook. Now, if you want to start executing and running the projects, you will be needing to run it locally in your computer. So basically make sure that you already have your notebooks or the notebooks uh, Jupyter in your local environments. That means you will be needing just to go to the command line or from your VS Code, you can simply go to the terminal and basically you will need just to run this one in case you are using a conda Python. In case you have pip, you can just type pip install notebook and basically then you can just run your projects or your notebooks by typing Jupyter Notebook. So inside your project, you will have your projects or your notebooks here, and then you will need just to type Jupyter Notebook, and you click enter, and basically it will start to open up. And from there, you can start running your Jupyter lab, and basically it will be working since you are using your local environment. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.